Ball out, ball out, ball out. Stop, stop, Nilo. Ball out. Esron, keep the ball on the line there. Near to the net and pass the ball. Keep the ball on the line and pass the ball. Yes. Now pass the ball forward. Forward pass. Zarar, go to the free space.
Go, Rochan, go, Rochan, go.
Rochan, kick it out. Kick it out. Yes. Goal kick, goal kick, goal kick. Goal kick, Kaden. Goal kick. Keep the ball on the white line. Keep the ball on the white line. White line, Kaden. Keep the ball on the white line. Now pass the ball to your teammate. Go, see on the left side.
Rochan, go. Go here.
Good one, Esron. Good one, Esron. Zarar. Go for the ball. Go for the ball, Rauchan. Ball out, Astart, Zarar. Zarar, kick in. Zarar, kick in. Nilo.
Rochan, go fast.
Nilo, go forward, Nilo.
Go for
the ball.
Rochan, go.
Kick it, come on.
Rochan, your ball, Rochan, your ball.
Good one, Kaden. Good one, Kaden. Ball out. Mark your man, mark the player. Don't let him take the ball, Esron. Esron, don't let him take the ball. Come in front of him. Yes, mark him. See, like that. Esron, don't be scared. Play your game. Okay. Esron, don't be scared. Mark him, okay? Got it? It's okay, Zarar. Esron, the player who is near to you, don't let him take the ball. Okay? Just play your game.
Rush to your side. Go to your side.
Good one, Esron. Go for the ball. Good one, Esron.
Take it.
Shot. Take a shot. Corner. Good one, Esron. Very good, Esron. Very good. Try to score.
Zarar, where should you start, Zarar? Zarar, Zarar, you have to protect the goal.
Zarar, kick the ball close to the goal.
Boys,
Inside the D box, yes.
Player, put away.
Good one, Zarar. Mark your man.
Away. On this leg.
Rochan.
Pass it on to Now, Pratu forward. Pratu.
See.
Esron, dribble.
Go wide. Go for the goal line.
Good one.
Rochan, don't let your ball.
Don't let. No problem. No problem, Zarar. Zarar, it's okay.
Organize, boys. Wedge. Where should you start? Pratu, where should you start?
Come outside the box. Come outside the box, Nilo.
Rochan, your ball. Rochan, go.
Score! Hey, come on, Nilo, score inside the goal.
Pass one.
Esron, score! Esron, come on. Esron, go for the ball. Esron, come. Good one.
Rochan, yours.
Rauchan, good one. Rauchan, go for the ball. Go for the ball, Rauchan.
Go.
Go now.
Shoot.
Score, come on.
Rauchan.
Zarar.
Ready, pass it right. Well done, man.
Yeah, come back, Nilo. Nilo, come back. Ball out. Okay, do one thing. Esron, play up. Nilo playing defense. Nilo will play in defense. Okay? Rauchan and Nilo will play in defense. Okay, play in defense. Esron, play up. Okay, try to score a goal. Okay, play now, Esron. Good one. Go, Esron.
Good.
Okay, kick it. Esron, go forward to Esron. Pass the ball to Esron. Esron, go for the ball, Esron. Start. Come on, Zarar. Zarar, kick it in.
Okay,
Zarar.
the ball you can be close.
Okay, Nilo, pass the ball to Zarar.
Put away. Get your head up.
Esron, Stay to the free space. Come to the free space. Find us road. Nilo. Nilo. Good one. Good pass. Score.
Go, Romchan, push.
Come on, Esron.
Ball to the line, boys. To the line.
Let's go!
To the line.
Romchan.
Right, good one, Esron.
Get up, boy.
High five to each other, boys. Good. Run, two.
Go forward. Go forward.
Score a goal.
Go forward, Esron. Very good.
High five to your teammates. All the teammates.
Nilo. Okay, okay.
Boys, come to the left side.
Go. Romchan, yours.
Can you pass? Can you pass?
Yours. Romchan, yours.
Esron, score.
Good goal. Well done, Sarah. Good control.
Esron, go close to the goal.
Yogi.
Good one, Nilo. Go forward, Kaden. Go forward, Kaden.
Riyad. Go.
Romchan, come.
Riyad.
Go near to the post. Okay. Kaden, come out. Kaden, come out. Kaden, come out. Come out. Okay.
Romchan, mark.
There is the goalkeeper, Nilo. Good one, Nilo. Go near to the post. Nilo, stay.
Don't go close, Saran.
Nilo, stay on the goal. Nilo.
Saran. Don't go too close.
Goal set.
Saran, look here.
Stop. Nilo. Nilo. Keep the ball on the white line and start, okay? Keep the ball on the white line
Watch,
and pass the ball to your
Go,
teammate.
go, go.
Gaurav, go on the left side, Gaurav. Go on the left side.
Perfect.
Pass the ball to your teammate now.
We should
Good
start
one.
that.
Good one, Nilo. Good one, super.
Shriyan.
Gaurav, mark your man, Gaurav.
Don't go too close, Saran. Shriyan.
Don't let them take the ball.
Shriyan.
Good one, Rauchan. Rauchan, go ahead of him. Yes. Don't let him take the ball. Very good, Rauchan. Very good, Rauchan. Good one, Nilo. Go, Esron. Go. Hey, foul, ref.
Romchan, go. Romchan, yes.
Ref, that's a foul.
Good pass.
That's a foul. Hey, Esron. Good one, very good, Esron. Take the ball and go close to the goal. Superb.
Romchan, mark.
Yellow ball, Purvik. Right, yellow ball.
Good defending. Go forward, Esron. Esron, go for the ball. Hey, good one.
Romchan, mark.
Okay, corner, mark your man, Rauchan, go back.
Shriyan. Close to the goal.
Okay, dribble forward. It's okay.
Wench. Opposition Wench. You're too close to Purvik.
Goal! Gaurav, come for the ball. You can come to the white arm. You can come up and defend. No problem.
Purvik. I want to see you pass the ball also. Okay?
Gaurav, go back to your positions. Go back.
Have your teammates go.
Gaurav, Esron.
Can you pass ball?
I don't need it now.
Can you pass ball to
Shade is there.
Purvik.
What 1-0 now?
Purvik, Saran, it's with you.
3-0.
Purvik. Saran, it's with you. Go, Praju. Let's run.
Good one, Esron.
Praju. Bad ball.
Go for the ball, Gaurav.
5-5.
Start.
Boys. Watch. Try to have white.
Okay, Gaurav.
Good pass, Princy, good pass. Good pass.
Nilo, go up. Play up now.
Run up. Go.
Watch. Now lift your head up, try to create chance for a keep it now. Okay?
Okay, start. Now, Chan, pass the ball. Go to the free space, boys.
Purvik. Let's go.
Go for the ball, Nilo. Go for the ball.
Get it.
Okay, goal kick. Kaden. Take the ball and keep it on the white line, quick.
Saran. Ball is up, move up. Don't worry about the goal.
Okay, boys, where is the free space?
Watch.
Where is the free space? Rochan, come back to the free space. Yes, now kick the ball. Esron. Good one. Dribble forward, go. Go for the ball. Yes.
That's the ball,
Go.
Princy.
You can turn and dribble, no problem. Goal kick. Kaden, keep the ball on the white line. Quick.
Go close.
Esron,
Right. Come.
give a position on the right side.
Hey.
Go.
Go up. Don't leave it up.
You don't have
For the man come up.
Go up.
Just keep it in one angle.
Too far. Go it.
Hey, good pass, Kaden. That was a good pass, Kaden. Turn. Rochan, go inside, Rochan. Esron! Come on.
Okay. Raise up.
To your shot, rock to yours.
Quick. Come here. Esron, come in front of the ball. Good one, Esron. Hey, foul. Penalty. Gaurav.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay, sir? Okay. Penalty. Gaurav, take the penalty.
Rush up. Go that side.
Hey, stop.
Purvik, take now. If you get the ball, what should you do? Rush up.
Super, huh?
Outside the line. Purvik, on the side. Yes, sir, you're late. Raju, I want you to stay up. Go up. Come here. Let Rian be there. Rian. Middle. Rian, close to the ball. But don't kick the ball. Purvik. Be on the line, white line. Purvik, white line. Which one is the white line? Purvik.
For them, yeah. The short speed will be slow. Goalkeeper will get
Okay, Zarat.
Raf, this is not how they
Zarat,
give penalty for the
you
other
have to
party.
keep the ball inside the goal without goalkeeper, okay? No goalkeeper is there. Just push the ball inside the goal.
Chef, go left. Go left.
Okay, Zarar, come. But for under sevens, how can it be like that?
Same thing. What I told you. Yeah, line and no hand. Okay.
Hey, but this is the too long distance. How can it should not shown? It should not be the rule. No, it should not be the rule. Huh? So, but still it should be in the
Okay, wait, bro.
no hand.
Where is KSF would have sent the rules and regulations to you. Can you open that please for me?
So, but you guys are changing.
No.
the rules, Right?
We'll get
but
stick
this
to
is
it.
not accepted. How can the 7 years old without support? You can take a shot from here. It's not a rule, right?
Let's go, boys. Let's go, play on.
The keeper should stand on the line. He is standing 3 steps
I
ahead.
think show me the rule and regulations. You know what KSF has sent you.
So that is the rule. That he should stand above the line.
Let's go, practice.
You are the referee. I am the referee.
Come on, Chef.
Keeper should stand on the line. You guys only don't know the rule.
Ranchu, close to the goal.
It's not fair for the kid. They are telling me.
Saran, up. Ranchu, outside the line. High line. Rishabh, your lane. Look at that player. Good pass, Ian. Leon. Let's go for it. Rishabh there. Saran, all ball, move up. Ranchu, think, what should you do now? Saran. Good target, Saran. Rishabh, let Saran take it, go over there. Rishabh, left lane. Ranchu, go close to the goal. It's okay, Saran, good idea. Ranchu, stay here.
Forward pass.
Go for the ball. Calm down, good weight. Ranchu. Ball down. Play up, okay? Punch. Punch. You're playing up there. Ranchu was Rishabh. Brother, that is good. Priyan. Below. Boys, you're not organized. Purvik, you're the captain. Where should your team stand? Where should you stand? Now where should Reshab stand? Now look at the ball.
Asron, dribble! Dribble, Asron! Good one. Zarar, quick start. Find Asron. Or Nilo. Go inside the goal. Go inside the goal. Kick it in.
Let's go.
Hey, Asron, good ball.
Good start. It's okay, Purvik. You will score next time.
Receive the ball, Zarar.
Pass, Shriyan.
Go for the ball, Asron. Very good. Go for the ball, Asron.
Good.
Yes.
Good try.
Good.
Can you pass, Purvik? Well done. Zarar.
Rochan.
Punch.
Asron.
Punch, you stay back. Start, Zarar, position. Come here, pass. You can take the goal.
Come on, Asron. Go for the ball, Asron. Good one, Nilo. Rochan, good. Go ahead.
Good.
It's okay, Kaden. Okay, Kaden. Kaden, come. Go for the goal. Okay. Good one, Kaden. You are doing very good. Okay, you tried. Very good. Gaurav. Okay. Nilo. Go on the goal. Nilo. Go on the goal. Gaurav, come forward. Gaurav, come forward. Nilo. Okay, stay, Gaurav, stay. Nilo is defending there. Stay. Nilo, sit back. No problem. Okay. Be there.
Right, your turn. Too close to the goal. Now on the line. Purvik.
Handball ref, penalty.
Reshab. This side, okay? Kick the ball this side.
Rochan,
Raju.
okay, you take the penalty. Huh? Okay, Rochan.
Close to the line. Raju up. When I say up, where should you stand? Very good.
Rochan.
Shriyan. Reshab. Come close to me. Reshab. There.
Come back behind the white.
Let him go forward.
Okay, Rochan.
Let's go, right.
Very good.
Good block.
Nice.
Let's go, Pransu.
Take Pransu.
Good dribble.
Good. Yes.
Good one, Rochan. Rochan. Play hard, Rochan. No problem.
Now what can you do better than?
Good one, Rochan.
You can score, definitely, but no, good penalty, no problem.
Yes. Go there. Like that only. Go there. Go up.
Gaurav, take the goal kick, Gaurav. Keep the ball on the white line, white line. Wait the white line, Gaurav.
Watch, ball is up, move up.
And pass the ball, kick the ball harder to your teammate. Kick the ball harder to your
Rishabh,
teammate.
where should you stand, Rishabh? Look at the player, stand with him. Rishabh,
Gaurav,
left lane.
kick the ball harder.
Go, Rishabh.
Nilo, be the goalkeeper.
Rishabh, stay there, okay? Punch. Don't worry about the goal. Come up. Ball is up. Saran behind Pranchu.
Go for the ball. Asran, come on.
Rishabh.
Go for the ball.
Rishabh.
Ball out.
Rishabh. Right.
Wait for some more time.
Your side. Washroom.
Asran.
Yes.
Forward pass. Rochan is free. Rochan, dribble. Go Asran. Turn and dribble. Asran again, go for the ball, Asran.
Good shoot.
Very good, Nilo.
Rishabh, Saran.
Superb.
Okay, put the ball now. Where should you go, boy?
Rochan.